Come to Namaskar Mudra. Thumbs closer your chest. Close your eyes gently. Now take your deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Release and relax your whole body. Relax your mind, relax your body. Now we will begin the session. One time Omkara chanting. Make the loudly and gently, smoothly. So take deep breathing. Feel the good vibration and good sensation to feel the relaxed mind. To release your hands and rub your palm vigorously. Simply massage your face and neck, throat, and then slowly release your hands beside your thigh. So now we are going to practice 7 asana for holistic health reduce. Before 7 asana practice, I will use the Vayam practice for the mobilized body and flexibility. So make a fist to your hands beside your thigh. So reach your hands up to higher. Reach your hands. Take a 1 feet gap and then reach your hands. Bend forward from the lower back. Look at navel and roll your spine first of all, and look at navel and then roll your spine to reach your hands up to higher. Once again, bend forward. Look at navel again, to roll your spine to reach your hands slowly up to higher. Once again you will go to look at navel and roll the spine and reach your hands up to higher. Make a fist to your hands and then again reach your hands up to higher. Bend forward. Look at navel and roll your spine and slowly reach your hands up to higher. And now again bend forward, but place your hands with your ground. Place your hands with the ground and hands walk. Hands walk. That's it. And exhale to knee bend, but don't touch ground. As you inhale, take knee straight. Again exhale, bend your knee. Yes. As you inhale, take knee straight. Now again bend your knees. As you inhale, take knee straight. Now bend your knees and hold, be there for 5 seconds only to feel good strength. To 5 second hold. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. To take knee straight. Now knee bend, place with the ground and take a 1 feet your gap. Make your good posture to as a right leg lift up to higher with folding right leg lift, and exhale to drop your right leg, thigh touch into chest. Thigh touch into chest. As you inhale, again right leg lift up to higher, and then while exhale and try to and touch. Again right leg lift. As a whole, be there. Whole, be there. That's it. And 5 seconds more. Hold. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. Now release your right leg and then thigh touch into chest, and again 5 second hold, be there. Then 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. Now release the right leg and same practice to another leg. Now, yes, lift your left leg up to higher. And then while exhale to drop your leg, thigh touch into chest. 2, as you inhale and exhale to drop your leg, thigh touch into chest. 3, as you inhale and exhale. 4, as you inhale to lift and hold, be there. 5 seconds, stay there in this position to 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. Now drop your leg, thigh touch into chest and hold, be there. 5 seconds more, hold. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. Now release the left leg. Take a 1 feet gap between legs apart. Then simply release. Lie down on your stomach. Now place your palms beside your chest. Palms turn to back behind, feet together. Then as you inhale, lift your upper body till the navel region. Yes, very nice. While exhale, drop your upper body. Then again as you inhale, lift. While exhale, 3, as inhale, exhale. 4, as inhale to lift and exhale. 5, as inhale, lift and hold, be there. And try to feel the very good stretching with the lower abdominal region. Feel. 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. Now drop your upper body. Yes, first of all, we'll take your palms straight. Palms placed, palms placed beside your chest. Then as a lift your all the way body up to go mountain posture, kind of. Yes, take a 1 feet your gap between your legs apart. You know the leg stretching practice. Simply right knee little bend and take right knee straight. Another knee bend to as take it straight. And feel very good stretching your calf muscles, hamstring muscles, to feel stretching. This is the very good exercise for the leg mobilize increasing and flexibility increasing. Yes, to release your leg. Then bring your right leg, take your right foot out of your right hand. And then lift your right hand and stretch your hands upper. And while exhale to drop your right hands, take your right leg back. And take your left leg forward out of your left hand. Lift your left hand to stretch. As you release your left hand to take left leg back. So take your right leg out of your right hand to stretch and release. As you take right leg back. Now take left hand, then stretch and now release. So as you take leg back and now right leg forward again, take a right arm, stretch and release. Then take your left leg forward and stretch your left arm. And then release your left arm, take leg back. Yes, and then now feet walk, come to front of mat. Yes, then as you inhale, raise your hands by side. And while exhale, to release your hands by side. We completed power yoga loosening practice. Now we are going to practice 7 asana for holistic health reduction. So how to do it? Take your right leg back as far as back. Yeah, make it 4 feet gap. Take your both foot in front of Then as you bring your hands by sides, interlock your hands at your lower back. As you inhale, expansion, you just look up sky. Then while exhale, bend forward from the lower back. As much as bend, as much as please all of you, and feel some compressor stimulate your digestive system. And hold, be there in this position to 5 seconds. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. Inhale to come up. Inhale, come up, initial pose. And then take your right foot inside. Open your left foot towards the left way. And twist your upper body towards the left way. As you inhale, look up sky. And exhale, first of all bend your left knees and bend upper body from lower back. Forehead connect with the toes. This is the Pad Angusthasana practice. Feel the very good strengthen and feel 5 seconds more. Hold 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. So come, inhale to come up center. Yes. Now inhale, look up sky. Twist your upper body towards the left way. While exhale, bend forward from lower back. Chest touch your thigh. Parsvartanasana. And try to feel very good stretching inner thigh, the calf muscle, hamstring muscle to stretching, and feel very good compression with abdominal region. Stay there. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take your body thoda straight. 4, as 5. Inhale to come, get back, initial pose. Then release your hands beside your thigh. And now release your hands with the ground. Inhale, leg back to plank posture, Santulan Asana. It's a very beneficial. Take 1 feet gap. It's a very beneficial for belly fat reducing practice. In this position, you have to hold 5 seconds. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. And exhale, go to Chaturanga Dandasana, Chaturanga pose. Yes. And hold, be there. This is very especially for the belly fat reducing. If you are not able to do in this posture, to get back this posture, it's very beneficial for holistic health reduction. To 5 seconds more, hold. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, as 1. Now come to upper facing dog. This one is 6 asana. and you should stretch your upper body as much as to get good stretching with your whole body. Close your eyes and feel stretching, increasing flexibility, and hold. Be there 5 seconds more. Now 5, 4, 3, 2, as wait as 1. Now come to upper facing dog. So come to downward facing dog. First of all try to heel touch with the ground. Yes, heel touch with the ground. And go to Adho Mukha Asana. This call name is Adho Mukha Asana. Yes, this is the downward facing dog. It's very beneficial for hip, beside thigh reduce. Then exhale, knee bend will go to rabbit posture, the relaxing. We completed 7 asana, and this is rabbit posture for relaxing. Now come back to Brajarasan and come to Namaskar Mudra. We completed 7 asana for holistic weight reduction. We'll meet you next videos for next subject. Thank you. Yes.